Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Pontiac Firebird. Neat little car, guys. I actually took this car in on trade. Pretty car. It's finished in Carousel red. Chevrolet guys know that as Hugger orange, but Pontiac calls that Carousel red. Not the original color combination, guys. It has been changed from the factory, but it is a PHS Documented 400 car. I've driven it a couple of times now. Car really seems to go down the road good. It's not a race car, but I'll tell you, it does drive out nice. Good solid straight body. It was actually an original California car. You can see it's got the Rally 2s with the PMD caps and lugs. Goodyear Eagle GTs all the way around it. And again, it is a factory 400 car. Danny, the guy we just got it from, he actually just put the AC on it. I think he said it was restored in 2018 and has about 8,000 miles on it since it was done. But again, the AC is brand new. A couple little things you can kind of nitpick. You can see it's got a crack in the front there. Couple little pits in the bezels. They've definitely replaced that front chrome there. Front and rear spoilers. Again, factory 400 car. This is not a matching numbers car though. Pretty color combination. The paint does jump off this car. It's got a good look to it. Stainless is good. Vinyl top's in good shape. Good looking car. Pretty straight down the sides there. These Firebirds are good looking cars. Definitely replaced that rear bumper. These birds are not easy to find either. You see a lot of Camaros, you don't see a lot of Firebirds. Does have the front disc brakes. Again, factory 400 car, but this is not the matching numbers engine. Stock 4-barrel stock intake. Said it's got the Ram Air 3 exhaust manifolds on it, power steering, power front disc brakes. He just had the AC. That's a vintage AC unit. Just had that installed. It does blow cold. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Clean car. There's a little touch-up mark there. When you see it and we get in the interior here, it's got some holes in the headliner. He got us a new headliner. I just haven't had a chance to get Don from DNA's Interiors over here to get that installed. Door handles are nice. Door rubbers are nice and clean. Good looking car. Bucket seats, console, it's got all the wood grain trim. Again, when you see the headliner, it's tore. We will have that replaced. Pretty much stock in here. He's got some, was it 98,000 if I remember right on the odometer. He's assuming that's original. Again, he said there's about 8,000 miles on the Restro. It's got some aftermarket gauges and tach. It's a Flowmaster dual exhaust, not a big gear. Low threes gear, stock gear. This is all your PHS docs, some of the receipts too for the resto. It's all spackle coated in the trunk. Pretty color combo. Really good looking color combo. Car looks good. And then one thing, you set this car out front for about 10 seconds, everybody flies in here. Floors are clean. Steering wheel's nice. Obviously that's not factory. That would have been where the radio was. They put the gauges up there. Matter of fact, I think we moved them. Actually, he had changed them, moved them down, and we put them back so the holes were in there. Just flip the fan over and it comes on. Just the blower motor's all you gotta flip, it's already set up. I know that air works, I just had it on blowing coal, you might have just moved the thing. There he goes. Got it, come on. Again, car hits the road good. It's got good sound to it. Tach works. Car's got a good sound to it. I'm pretty sure I know that oil pressure gauge is working. We'll check it and see what it is. I don't know if we moved it, if it little wire come loose or something. Little button all the way. There you go. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. Pretty car.